This is Poetic's silicone case. Okay, this is another case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. I've had a look at a couple so far, and this is from Poetic, with love from San Francisco. That's the Golden Gate Bridge there, and the tower that was in one of the Dirty Harry films with, I think the sniper was in it, possibly. Might not be the best way to remember it, but that's somewhat what it was like. Around this side we've got the trams and Review Us and Poetic and all that kind of stuff. So this is True Protective. This is the Silicone Galaxy Tab S6 black new cover thing. I believe this is around £17. You can get it off Amazon.co.uk. Links down below. Premium quality, timeless design, thin wraparound foam, and, well, true protection. So we're going to rip it open and have a look. Okay, so that's all we get inside, is just the cover itself. Oh, that feels quite nice, actually. Wow! Oh, it smells. Right. Okay, so this, thank you for choosing Poetic. You get a mystery gift. We love pictures. Poetic, send us your picture and we'll give you a mystery gift as a token of our appreciation. Isn't that nice? Email them there. With love from San Francisco. Okay, so this is a silicone case, and boy, it smells strong. Wow. So having a look around, it's really flexible. I guess this is more designed for maybe kids or whatever, or you can get this in various different colors as well. It has good thick bezels for you to be able to hold on to and grip it. We have cutouts here that must be for the speakers, but the speakers appear under here, so maybe the sound does come out and round. Maybe there's small chambers down there, if you can see just about. There is a slight chamber, so that would resonate round. Maybe not be as accurate as it coming directly out, but it's the next best thing. We have those holes must be impact zones, so whenever you do drop it, it hits. This must be exhaust to dissipate the heat. Obviously, being inside something like this in a higher temperature, like for example San Francisco, there would be quite a bit of heat let off, and if it was to go directly into the silicone, it could warp, could damage the tablet. So this will exhaust it out to the sides. As you can see, it's not quite straight. For those who get mildly infuriated by unparalleled lines, I'm guessing this might be where possibly a processor is to allow more heat to go out that way. Care and attention, I do like that. Up here we have some other speaker chambers, and then this is a cutout for the camera. Round the back, this is obviously a design with those chunky sides, your S Pens there. Well, there's not really much else, just cutouts for the bits and pieces. We shall stick the tablet in and see how it looks. Somehow. Okay, so it's in. It's in. Nice the way the bezel comes right up to the very edge of the screen. Precision cutting, precision measurement. I will have a quick listen to see how the speakers sound in the end. Yeah, it actually sounds quite good. It does redirect the sound directly toward you, which is actually kind of nice, because if you're holding it like this and watching video, you're not obscuring the speakers as much as you did before when you had it like this. So it's a nice idea, a neat addition to the cover. Down here, obviously the port is exposed, so it can pick up dust and fluff as you like, which is a little bit of a negative, I suppose. But if this is just for maybe your kids are using it and you don't want them to wreck it, this does make for a very sensible idea. That means that it's very easy to get your charger in whenever you're at home. So there's a grip down here. It feels a wee bit like tire tread, so you're not going to drop it quite so easily. These bits do feel really smooth. They feel good under the hand, actually. Holding it like that is quite nice. The cutout for the front-facing camera and the sensor is there. The impact zones will protect quite well. Round the back, we have the cutout for the camera, which I'm guessing, because this is brand new, it just needs to slink in and fit that wee bit better. It's a little bit lopsided, and that's a wee bit infuriating, but I'm guessing this will contract gradually over time and fit snugly round your tablet somehow. The S Pen, ooh, that's a nice fit. There's obviously a little bit of a pinch here and here that keeps it in there, so it's not going to fall out quite so easily, but it's not going to be difficult to get out because the case is somewhat flexible, so you can pull this to the side if you're having any form of difficulty. But that's very nice, actually. I'm quite pleased with that compared to some of the other cases that we've looked at. That feels quite solid and well done. Yeah, it's not going to just drop out quite so easily, so if you're giving this to the kids, they're not going to lose your stylus on you as easily. They'll have to pull it out. And for using it on the go, it's relatively simple to do. I pushed it in there, and I had to push it in there to get it in, but that's a wee bit more reassuring as well. You know that it's not going to disappear quite so easily with this case. I like this case. I really am quite impressed with it. For £17, this is a really good case. Obviously there's no screen protector on it, and you would need to apply one yourself, but there's enough of a gap that you could have one on there as well. It's not going to affect it. You can see if I do that, there's a 0.5 millimeter gap around the edge, which I suppose could attract dust and grit and things like that, but I wouldn't be worrying about it too much. So nice one, Poetic. This is a case that I'm really actually going to more than likely use. And at £17 and you have an S6, I'd thoroughly recommend this as an option for you being out and about, or letting the young ones actually use your tablet. I won't say that too loud in case my young one hears me and comes in and says, I want to use your tablet. So yeah, give us a wee thumbs up if you fancy, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Check out techaddicts.uk for more information on the podcast. Tune in to Talk Sport on a Wednesday morning at midnight to inspect your gadget with yours truly. And other than that, take care.